And this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento, and today we're looking at a 2024 Jayco Eagle 370 FBTS. So the FBTS stands for front bath, so that's exactly what we have here. In the front of the nose of the fifth wheel, we have this huge front bath here with a huge shower stall. Look at all that counter space there. Love that wooden countertop. Look how much room you have in here for getting dressed. You have a walk-in closet up front. Of course, you look at all these cabinets and all this space right here. And then what's accented here is your bedroom is actually in the middle of the coach. Of course, it's on a slide. Nice size dresser there. And stepping into the living part of the coach, you've got the classic rear living. So you have your table with your theater seats, your couch, which makes into a bed. In addition, your TV, your soundbar, and your fireplace, and a huge kitchen here. So, love this kitchen with the solid surface countertops, GE appliances, 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. This unit is equipped with Overlander Solar 2, so that powers your refrigerator if you're dry camping. And then the added benefit of a front bath model is you also have a half bath in the front of the coach. So this has been the Jayco Eagle 370 FBTS. So this is a 2024 model. It's just over 40 feet in length, and unloaded is just over 12,000 pounds. If you have any questions about this model, want to know about availability or pricing, give us a call at 916-848-2025. Cliff from RVs of Sacramento.